But mindful spending, the pathway to financial freedom. In a world of instant gratification and consumerism, it's easy to get caught up in the cycle of overspending. We are constantly bombarded with advertisements and social media influencers showcasing the latest trends and must-have items. The pressure to keep up can be overwhelming. We buy things we don't need, with money we don't have, to impress people we don't even like. This endless pursuit of material possessions often leaves us feeling empty and unfulfilled. The joy of a new purchase is fleeting, and soon we find ourselves searching for the next thing to buy. This behavior leads to debt, stress, and a constant feeling of being behind. The weight of financial obligations can be crushing, affecting our mental and emotional well-being. It's a vicious cycle that can seem impossible to break. But there's a better way: mindful spending. By taking a step back and evaluating our spending habits, we can make more intentional choices with our money. This means prioritizing our needs over our wants and being conscious of the long-term impact of our purchases. Mindful spending is about making intentional choices with your money. It's about being aware of where your money is going and making sure it aligns with your values and goals. This approach encourages us to think before we spend and to consider whether a purchase will truly add value to our lives. It's about understanding your financial goals and aligning your spending habits with those goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having clear financial goals can help guide our spending decisions. This approach to personal finance is not about deprivation, it's about freedom. It's about making choices that lead to financial security and peace of mind. By being mindful of our spending, we can reduce financial stress and create a more stable and fulfilling life. It's about taking control of your money so that your money doesn't control you. When we are in control of our finances, we can make decisions that support our overall well-being and happiness. Mindful spending empowers us to live a life that is true to our values and aspirations. Mindful spending is the opposite of impulsive buying. It's about making conscious choices with your money, rather than letting emotions or external pressures dictate your purchases. It's about being present and aware of your spending decisions. This means taking the time to review your budget, understanding your financial situation, and making informed choices. Before you swipe your credit card, ask yourself, do I need this? Can I afford this? Is this purchase aligned with my values and long-term goals? Will this purchase bring me closer to my financial goals? By setting clear financial goals, you can create a roadmap for your spending and ensure that every purchase is a step towards achieving those goals. When you start asking these questions, you'll be surprised how many purchases you can avoid. You'll find that many of the things you thought you needed were actually wants, not necessities. You'll realize that you don't need the latest gadgets, the trendiest clothes, or the most expensive car to be happy and fulfilled. Instead, you'll find joy in the things that truly matter, like financial security, peace of mind, and the freedom to make choices that align with your values. What you need is financial peace of mind. This comes from knowing that you're in control of your finances, that you're making smart choices, and that you're on track to achieve your goals. You need to know that you're in control of your finances and that you're on track to achieve your goals. By practicing mindful spending, you can create a more intentional and fulfilling financial life. Financial freedom, a dream within reach. Financial freedom means different things to different people. For some, it's being debt-free. For others, it's having enough money to retire early. Whatever your definition of financial freedom, mindful spending can help you get there. When you're mindful of your spending, you free up more money to invest in your future. You can pay off debt faster, save for retirement, or even start your own business. The possibilities are endless when you're not weighed down by debt and financial stress. Defining your financial freedom goals. The first step to achieving financial freedom is to define what it means to you. What are your financial aspirations? Do you dream of owning a home, traveling the world, retiring early? Once you have a clear vision of your financial goals, you can start setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. For example, instead of saying I want to be financially free, you could say I want to be debt-free in 5 years, or I want to save $100,000 for retirement in 10 years. These specific goals give you something concrete to work towards. Needs versus wants, making conscious choices. One of the fundamental principles of mindful spending is distinguishing between needs and wants. Needs are essential for survival, such as food, shelter, and clothing. Wants, on the other hand, are things that enhance our lives but are not essential for survival. It's important to note that wants are not inherently bad. It's perfectly fine to indulge in wants occasionally, as long as you're doing so responsibly and within your means. The key is to be mindful of your spending and to make conscious choices about where your money is going. Budgeting, your financial roadmap. A budget is an essential tool for mindful spending. It helps you track your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend without even realizing it. There are many different budgeting methods, so find one that works for you and stick with it. You can use a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even just a simple notebook. The most important thing is to be consistent with your budgeting. The power of saving. Saving is crucial for achieving financial freedom. When you save money, you're essentially paying yourself first. You're setting aside money for your future self so you can achieve your financial goals and live a more secure life. Start by setting a savings goal, such as building an emergency fund or saving for a down payment on a house. Then, create a savings plan and stick to it. Automate your savings so that you're automatically transferring money to your savings account each month. Delaying gratification for long-term rewards. In today's world of instant gratification, it can be difficult to delay gratification. We're constantly bombarded with advertising messages that tell us to buy now and worry about the consequences later. However, delaying gratification is essential for achieving financial freedom. When you delay gratification, you're choosing to forego a small reward now for a larger reward later. For example, instead of buying a new car now, you could choose to invest that money and buy a car in cash a few years down the road. Smart shopping strategies. In today's fast-paced world where consumerism is at an all-time high, it's essential to adopt smart shopping strategies to make the most out of your hard-earned money. Whether you're shopping online or in-store, being mindful of your spending habits can lead to significant savings over time. Mindful spending doesn't mean you can never buy anything nice for yourself. It's about making informed decisions and ensuring that every purchase brings you joy and value. Treating yourself occasionally is important, but doing so wisely is the key. It's about being smart with your money and finding ways to get the most value for your dollar. Creating a budget and sticking to it can help you track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. This way, you can allocate more funds towards things that truly matter to you. Here are a few smart shopping strategies that can help you save money and make better purchasing decisions. These tips are designed to help you navigate the world of shopping with confidence and ease. Wait for sales and discounts. Timing your purchases around sales events can lead to substantial savings. Many retailers offer seasonal sales, holiday discounts, and clearance events where you can find great deals on a variety of products. Don't pay full price for something if you can get it for less. Compare prices. Use price comparison tools and websites to ensure you're getting the best deal available. Sometimes a little research can save you a lot of money. Shop around and compare prices from different retailers before you buy. Different stores may offer the same product at varying prices, and some may even have exclusive discounts or promotions. Taking the time to compare can lead to better deals. Use coupons and promo codes. These can provide additional savings on top of sale prices. Look for coupons in newspapers, online coupon websites, and retailer newsletters. Many stores also have apps that offer exclusive discounts to users. There are many websites and apps that offer coupons and promo codes. Buy used or refurbished. Purchasing gently used or refurbished items can save you a significant amount of money while still providing you with quality products. You can often find great deals on gently used or refurbished items. These products are typically tested and certified to ensure they work like new, but at a fraction of the cost. Negotiate. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices, especially on big-ticket items. Many retailers are willing to offer discounts or price matches if you ask. Being polite but firm can often lead to better deals and savings. Review and reflect, the key to continuous improvement. Mindful spending is not a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. It's important to regularly review your spending habits and make adjustments as needed. Set aside some time each month to review your budget and see where you can improve. Ask yourself questions like, am I still on track to achieve my financial goals? Are there any areas where I can cut back on spending? Are there any areas where I need to increase my savings? Embrace the journey. Mindful spending is not about deprivation, it's about freedom. It's about taking control of your finances so that you can live a more fulfilling life. It's about aligning your spending with your values and making choices that support your long-term goals. Embrace the journey to financial freedom. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Remember that small changes can have a big impact over time. Start by making one mindful spending decision today, and then another one tomorrow. Before you know it, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial dreams.